Go get it. Emery, go get it. Good girl. I'm going to move it over. Here. Here. Okay, now you go get that one. Go get it. Chloe, get down off of that stool, buddy. Emery, go get it. Are you watching Sesame Street? Emery, come here. What are you doing? Come here. Chloe, what are you doing over there?
Oh, I'm cleaning the chair.
What in the heck are you doing? You're cleaning the chair? Who taught you how to clean like that?
Me.
You did? You're kind of like Grammy. Grammy likes to clean a lot, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Emery, are you all done? Go get it. Good girl. Yay.
Did she dig it?
She did.